Gracias. Entonces, soy Marie, soy de Filipinas. Para tu información, Philippines is a colony of Spain for 300 años, pero after it's a colony of America. So, entonces, I will speak in Inglés plus Spanish. So, Inglés plus Español. Español es básico, ¿no? So, soy Marie, no? So, I'm a physician in the Philippines. And I'm going to talk about, so I'm very happy to be here. Estoy feliz to be here, to be speaking with you in the WordPress Diversity Conference in Valencia. And I know that this conference is about diversity, about like women empowerment and different cultures merging together in this event. And this is also I will share my experiences in building agencies that span across Asia, Eastern Europe, and Spain. ¿Vale? So, ¿qué tiene que ver una carrera en medicina con una agencia global de WordPress? So, it's more than you can imagine. Sí. Mi antiguo mundo es la clínica. I was an internist physician in the Philippines. Now it's my 20th year of practice as an internist physician in the Philippines. Pero why am I here? Why am I in WordPress? No, I built a WordPress agency in Filipinas since 2016. So, 2016. So, in my old world, in mi antiguo mundo, I was in charge of diagnostico. So, the diseases, I diagnose them, and then I know the cause, and then I discover the solution. No? So, that is the work of the medico. Pero, how does this relate being a owner of a agency in Filipinas, no? So, my story is that I started my agencia in Filipinas in 2016 with a partner. He is a WordPress developer, a PHP developer. And then by then, I was in my, I think, 10th year of practicing medicine, no? And we started in a small clinica. Like a small clinic. In my clinic, I transformed it into a lugar para mi empresa. No, like we were coding there. We were building websites in my small clinic. So, and then I encountered these problemas. So, nuevo problemas. So, nuevo problema, cuellos de botella operativo. So I discovered that the same problems that I encountered as a clinician, as a medical, is the same that like business owners also face. Like for example, these business owners come to me, Marie, we are not making sales. Marie, we have like a problem. My website is not like in the search engine. Marie, why? So you have to examine the cause. Causa, what is the cause of why your website is not showing in search engines? And why is this happening that you're not reaching your sales or marketing goals? No, so the same. I mean, it is a different field, medicine and WordPress or website development, pero they are still the same. In any case, like it's still the same. There's a problem, and then you have to discover the cause, and then you have to devise a solution. The same process, the same proceso. See. So what I did, in 2016, I started that agency in Filipinas, pero in 2022, I started another agency in Bulgaria. So the name is Zero West Technologies, and then we are dealing with the website cybersecurity solutions. And then after that, last year, I started this Puente Costa Blanca agency, which is in the Philippines. In España, aquí. So this one is like they are bridges towards different focuses, different regions. No, this is Eastern Europe, and then that one, this is Spain. So there was a need for a solution. Why did I choose WordPress? No, it's lenguaje universal, so you can build anything in WordPress, and then any language, as you can see, like it's a universal language, and then it's open source code, so anyone can access it. And then it's a global community also, like like there are word camps everywhere, every country, like you can attend WordPress events. So this is un modelo sin fronteras. My team is in Filipinas, and then I manage it now from Spain. And then the clientes is todo en el mundo, like all over the world. We cater to like US, Germany, UK. So we cater to clients around the world, not just in Spain, but also in other countries. So how do I do it? So there are also like risks, no? For example, there's the 6-hour time difference. How do you handle it? That is one problem like before. Like for ejemplo, now is alas 11:45 in España, pero in Manila is alas 5:45 in la tarde. So how do you handle the 6-hour difference? And then like how do you handle different cultures across different countries, because Bulgaria has a different culture there. And then the different language, for example, it's old Slavic, it's old Russian. And then like in Filipinas, like it's a different also. The American English is different from British English. And remote talent, because Philippines is actually a treasure trove of good talent. And then España also is becoming more of a tech hub. That's why I am here. No, your government got us from the former Spanish colonies to like empower tech here in España. No, that's why I'm here. Siguiente. So, what is the prioridad? No, comunicación. You can do it. You can have 3 different agencias in different regions. Just invest in communication. So, for example, we use to instruct our team, we use Loom. I'm sure you're familiar with Loom, no? I don't know. Vimeo, Vimeo is a free tool also. Like, for example, it can record your screen to hold video lectures, to instruct your team, remote team from Pilipinas, from whatever around the world. Notion and the Google Docs is also, we use that for note taking and collaboration, Google's Workspace. And this is a new tool, no? The AI, Gemini, we integrate that with Google Workspace. So that's how we do it in our team. Pero you can also like design your own sistema, no? Like there's no limit. Like you can also employ new tools for collaboration. That is the secret. So, solución, empoderamiento y crecimiento. So, this is also one of the important things that you have to emphasize to your team. There should be continuous learning. Like, how do we do it? We do evaluations every month. And then we do also evaluations every 3 months, every 6 months, in order to encourage continuous learning to your remote team. And then, confianza y autonomía. Your team should also develop this autonomy, autonomía. Like you have to be independiente with yourself, and you should also install purpose. What is your purpose? So why you are in this job? It's not just to earn money, but of course you have to create value for yourself, and that's why you have to improve your performance, and of course learning autonomy. So this is the most important thing also. It's muy importante. Focus on outcomes, not output. What is the difference between outcomes and output? Of course, output, it makes you work hard, but there's no purpose, no? Pero the outcomes, it is measurable using KPIs, using key performance indicators. See. To camino no conventional es tu su propoder. So this is not an easy task for us, to bridge gaps. I mean, bridge cultures to become a bridge in different countries. Pero with the right tools, you can do it. So, el framework sin fronteras, no? So, there are three pasos here. Diagnostica tus habilidades únicas. So, first, you have to know your abilities, your team, no? You have to develop our skills. For example, I'm a medico, no? Especialmente if you come from a non-technical background. So my question is, like, can you do it? Can you be like me? Can you transition from a non-coding background? Like, for example, my initial, in colegio, I studied laboratory science. And then now I became a physician, and then now I'm a WordPress developer. So can you do it? Yes, you can. Okay. And then you have to discover your skill in deep inside you. What is it that you're good with? What is it that you have to examine your purpose, and what do you like to do? That's it. So you can do it. You can transition. Elegir tu puente. So you have also to create a bridge. No? The bridge, your skill with the knowledge, the support network that you have, and you have to construct, or you have to build a culture of collaboration. Like, for example, this is a good collaboration networking event, like this diversity conference and WordCamps also. It can develop a culture of collaboration. WordPress is an open source code, so we can collaborate together, to discuss on the capacity of WordPress, especially now that one of the concerns now is cybersecurity or hacking. So WordPress is one of the most hacked websites, no? Nowadays. So how can we improve security in WordPress? That is one question that we can actually collaborate together and discuss. So, pregunta principal, ¿cuál es tu título en medicina? Like, I'm asking you, all of you, no? Like, are you like me? Like, what is your skill within you that you'd like to develop so that you can transition from a non-tech background to a tech background? Like, what is the skill in your career, or what is the skill in your profession that you think you can enhance and build and improve through learning and collaboration, that you'd like to that you think would help you transition into a tech background? For example, if you're a maestra, if you have like educación, BS bachelor's in education, so you think about that skill that makes you transition more. You focus on that skill. Oh, I'm good in teaching people. Okay, so how can I contribute to technology nowadays? Because technology is the way to move forward. Like, I'm not saying that being in the hotel and beverage industry is not the way to move forward. No, that is, I mean, technology is the in thing nowadays and is in demand, because everything now is powered by technology. Almost everything. It's the way to move forward. So, for example, if you're a chef, you think about, what skill do I have in my course as a chef that I can develop to transition further into a tech background or a tech career? No, so that is also like the reflexión final. Abraza tu historia. Construye tu futuro sin fronteras. You have also to use that skills that you identify within yourself, and also build a network with the collaboration with other people within your network, or within events like this. You use them to create your own contacts, and at the same time, it's a continuous learning cycle to improve ourselves, so that if you want to transition to a tech background. So now I don't want to talk. This event is not para mí, no? It's not for me. It's for you, because I'm just here to introduce an idea to you. Like, I'm just introducing here that, por ejemplo, you are not from a tech background. I'm just boosting your confidence. Yes, I can do it. Yes, you can do it. I have done it. You can do it. I am just here as a tool. So you can ask me any question now. If you have any preguntas, you can ask me. Like, now you can transition from a non-tech background to, for example, if I can offer you tips. Well, if you can not think of any questions right now, then you can message me on those social media channels, and I will help you discover what skill that you can use in order to transition to a tech background. Okay, so this event is not for me. This event is not for like me transforming into a speaker. This is about you. Like you have to like discover yourself and how to contribute towards a better tech economy in the future. Okay, so any like tienes preguntas? Any questions? See?
So it's really interesting because there's a lot of people who has to move from a profession to another for many reasons. And so you actually go into tech, you do develop. Okay, that's really interesting.
Yeah. For a little background, like, you know, I will share my experience, no? Why I studied a postgraduate diploma in computer science. It's because this is a personal experience. I'm not supposed to do this. My partner before, when we were building 5 years into our business there in Filipinas, like, well, he left me, no? All of a sudden during the COVID pandemic because the sales were getting low, like, you know. And then, like, my partner just emailed me from Dubai airport telling me, Marie, like, I'm going home to my country. I'm leaving you, like, with the company and nothing, nada. And then I was left with a lot of e-commerce sites to take care of. I was left with those are the challenges of being an entrepreneur, especially being a tech entrepreneur. So I like that at the time. Oh my God, I was so blanco. My mind was so, oh my God, what I'm going to do? Like, I am a doctor. I'm not supposed to do this. And there was this client in Australia. He was a software engineer before, like an old software engineer in his 50s. Like he said, Doctora Marie, you are not supposed to work on this project porque you are a medico. You belong to the clinic. You do not belong in this. You do not belong here. Something like that. And then, oh my God, like it really hurt my ego. I mean, I'm a capital owner there, no? And I own these tech agencies. I'm the one empowering. And then my partner left me. Well, it was, I don't know his reasons, pero I was struggling at that time to hold my company together. And then this client tells me that I'm incapacitated. You don't have the capacity. Like you're a medico. You know what I did? I studied postgraduate diploma in computer science to know all these things, like about the security. And then I did cloud computing training. Like Alibaba, I started with Alibaba Cloud because it was free in the Philippines. So I availed of free cloud training in Alibaba. And then I transitioned into AWS. So I did my own training. So that's also an example for you. That's a challenge, actually, being like a business owner, that you don't stick only to what you know. You have to discover within yourself what is a skill in my profession, in my original profession, in my old world. What is the skill within me that I would like to develop or I would like to develop so that I can transition my career into a tech career? That's it. So, anything more? Okay. See? Yeah, they can message me in my platform. Thank you.